Hello everyone, and welcome back to DMG. Today I'm going to be disassembling two wireless LAN adapters, I guess? I'm not quite sure what to call these. The idea is you set it on your desk or table next to your laptop, extend the little antenna. These are no longer a thing. These were a thing in the 2000s when not all laptops had Wi-Fi. They're only 802.11g, so they're really not compatible with any new networks. So they have kind of reached the end of their life. Also, I probably don't need to take apart both of these because they came out of the same factory. Like, look at the bottom, look at the side. It's exactly the same. Every part of this is the same. The text is just slightly different. They are the same thing. Anyway, looks like they use some very small screws. I'll start with this silver one. Although their FCC IDs are different, so maybe they are different. Guess we'll have to find out. I'm expecting these to be rather boring. Probably just two chips, a USB interface, and a Wi-Fi card. Although if it's a socketed Wi-Fi card, it's unlikely, but if it is, these could be replaceable and usable again. Oh, there we go. Yep, exactly as I thought. So under here is your Wi-Fi chip. Let's see if we can't just, maybe get that off. Oh, why such a big heatsink then? It's tiny. Here are all of your little chips on this board. Alright, that's enough of that one. Time for this one. Not the same as the last one. Board is a bit different. And is that a Realtek chip? Yeah, that's a Realtek chip right there. It's got a part number that starts with RT. And it's got a heatsink that doesn't want to come off as easily. Alright, so this is interesting. Here we've got two PCBs that are almost the same, but have different chipsets. So here, I think this is a Conexent, I'm not exactly sure, and that's definitely a Realtek. So it's pretty much the same board, but they just use different chipsets. They're built in the same enclosure. And what's interesting is here on this case has 3 spaces for LED, and so does this one. but only 2 are visible from the outside. And yeah, there are only 2 LEDs on the board. So that's kind of funny. I mean, there's not really much else to see. That's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you next time.